it's lit.
Oh, I see the link.
Got the barbecue sitting here. Fucking mint. Oh, look at the old Honda.
Oh,
That's fucking dope.
that's fucking old.
Oh, look at the stubs in the back of that thing, man. That's fat. Fucking Skyline.
Oh my god.
Skyline gang.
Paul Walker's first car.
It's gotta be dope tonight. Honda. Got hot dogs going on.
Got some Mustangs over there trying to press some crowds.
That's dope.
It's nice.
I fuck with that.
Where are we going?
I'll go this way. Good old Ford Fusion. Oh yeah, that green truck's dope. And the bug beside it, I love that bug. Oh, look at the fucking hippie van, babe.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we got Lexus up in there over here.
It's over.
Doing some work on her.
Like I got fucking.
Oh, look at the lights on that car. The halo lights. I like that.
It's nice. Oh, look at the little ice cream man.
Look at the old RX-7, dude. That's dope. Yeah, it's got the pop-up lights. Ice cream ins. Oh, more halo lights. These ones are dope. I like these ones even more. Oh, Charger. This Mazda's sick. This is from Peterborough. I see this Mazda all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's, you know that
Same size.
fucking Rona season.
You know what we are? We're Fast and Furious. Hey, bud. We're the Fast and Furious.
Oh yeah.
All they drink is Corona.
Barbecue's getting warm. She's almost 500 degrees.
Throwing off a lot of heat.
I'm glad actually you did invite me, huh?
Yeah, I don't have to do the cooking. I'm alright with that.
I see. I'd rather do the barbecue than have a good barbecue, okay?
Fucking drones just ripping.
Honda. Don't let the truck. Or Lexus, sorry.
Just look onto the Hondas. Oh, Chevy.
There's a drone in the air right now.
Cobalts. Got a Toyota in here. Look at the rims on it. Infinities. Lots of Hondas. It's fucking trash.
There's definitely way more than 10 people. Any drink up? Definitely more than 10 people.
Yeah, but we're all in our little social group.
That's dope.
So it's $725? Maybe 145. I joke my buddy. Well, you heard him say earlier. That's the guy I asked like for $20.
240
This is the
SX.
first time asking for money. I rarely ask. That one didn't go through. I cooked more dogs up.
Muck another hot dog.
I didn't eat them left and right, sorry. I didn't eat all day. I was when we got here after the cook. That's the first time I ate all day. They do some of these
Fucking packed.
It's gonna be a good fun night tonight.
Yeah, I can't wait till the races. Is it?
Yeah.
First car meet ever. You like them, bud?
So far, yeah. Until later on tonight. And then when the action kicks in.
It's fucking packed.
Beside us.
Oh yeah, Ranger Danger. Fucking Hondas for days. I need to get myself a fucking Honda.
I know I'm gonna be on video.
I got this stuff. You guys want to use that?
Oh yeah.
Nail chuck.
Man, I love these fucking rims. Holy fuck. Fucking asshole.
Two of us are barbecuing.
Fucking
I have to turn over the dogs.
Oh, no, you fucking got the hand in there. Trying to get the view. Almost got burned.
Oh.
Then you put it on the bird. There you go. That's gonna be a good burger.
Oh, fuck. Have you ever popped the hood before? Nope. Really?
Is that no one?
I already know what's in it.
Is that no one?
Ben didn't say pop the hood.
He's never popped the hood.
I just don't know.
That's the first thing I usually
I
do.
think it's the same, pretty exact same. Yeah. Pretty much the meals.
I don't even know how to pop my engine, bro.
It's harder.
Bro, I don't even fucking know, bro. I just cocked up, like, fuck
It's not bad.
Just fuck it, man. It's 6.3 a.m.
Chaz, open the hood. Come on.
6.3 underneath the hood, right?
Can't even open the hood on. You're like,
Oh, shit, let me put my flash on it, bro. I can't find the last one.
Too
drunk to do all this shit, though.
Got 206K. No, it's an old
Look at that.
Yeah, that's the one.
That's man.
Remember, it's on right here.
226.
Oh, it's still where? It's on the left hand side. Click it up, eh? Yeah, push it up and then lift the hood.
90. My old one was just
I know, trust me, bro.
yeah, that's dope.
You guys know I bought it off of? Fucking rage, bro, just sitting there. You know, he's scared. He's just like, fuck this. Sitting there, bro. I didn't care about that. I thought it was just, I didn't make it like that, bro. Your ass. What's that tune my shit, bro? That go fucking kick your ass. That was for a whole, I think it's for oh, he's going, we're definitely winning race slide. Slide. When it gets in, like, oh yeah. Where's your ice cream there?
Yo, no way, that's what the Hyundai is.
Yeah, that Hyundai sounds good. Yeah.
The fuck?
That's the bird sauce.
In the big sauce.
Not sure if I have it, but get it. Fucking fit.
Fucking Dodge Viper.
I accept.
Oh yeah, I've got your on my, I've got your phone automatic connected.
Is it?
Yeah. It says use my,
Oh, but yeah, it is connected. I didn't even notice that.
I don't care.
I don't have any Snapchats anymore.
My mouth's like hard. Even though with that Fruitopia, I don't care what's going on.
Damn, look at that one.
Fucking Godzilla, the skyline.
That is hot.
That thing would fucking fly. A little Jetta that could. Holy fuck. Fucking shotgun. fucking love this shit. Oh, there's the cops. What you gonna do?
Bad boys for life, man.
There's way too many of us for them to even do fuck all, man. Oh shit. Yeah, this thing's dope.
Okay. Get me a drink while we're doing you. Oh, you telling Oh yeah, that brain takes off.
Just made her to the racing donut spot. Fuck, I can smell the rubber all the way from here.
You can see the rubber. Oh, sorry, Jacob.
It's all good, bud. Fucking man.
Oh fuck, that's really burnt rubber.
No, my pocket goes through like your front lights are off.
My car's filled already.
Who cares, eh? I don't want to get hit by the cars. I'm trying to keep an eye over it.
Yeah. you and your brother, buddy. Fuck that, yo. That kid threatened my sister. Fuck you. You rolled up on my family.
He didn't actually.
Fuck you, yo. Fuck you, faggot ass. Fuck you, yo. Fuck that. Fuck you, yo. I told you, you ain't fucking chilling know where I am, bitch. Fuck you. You're lucky you didn't get knocked the fuck out, bitch. Fuck that. Fuck that, dude. Fuck that,
Well, that was something. The front wheel peels.
That was definitely front wheel drive. I just expected him to walk and try to yell and
Oh, another Honda coming in. Thank you. Yeah, I gotta do that. Guess we're going across the road now. Oh, look out, it's a Mustang, they're bound to hit you. Oh, there's this fucking strand driver over here.
So, that Mustang's fucking leaking oil or something. Puddle there.
Oh yeah, there goes the Stang. Jesse and his fucking reflector.
Facts though.
I love how the spots aren't getting burnt at all.
Yeah, like we've been here for a long time. There hasn't even been a cop yet.
Doesn't get much better.
Doesn't get any better than this at all. Fuck the pigs! Fucking right. Just roasting the tires.
Holy shit.
Well, it was a pretty good night, but it's time to go home. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's probably gonna be a fucking long one. And we'll catch you tomorrow.